Hey, Bourbon Bill here with Bourbon Bill's Pirate Bar, courtesy of Upscale Event Productions. Hey, today we're going to talk about the craft cocktail that actually ushered in the whole craft cocktail movement. But before we talk about that, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notify bell down below, and we'll be right back. Hey, did you hit that subscribe button while we were away? Well, let's talk a little bit about the Cosmopolitan. It's one of the few drinks that is actually naturally pink. And it's not just for bachelorette parties and weddings, although it does impress the ladies. So a lot of bartenders may scoff at making this delicious cocktail, but I have to tell you, if the margarita and the vodka and cran had a love child, it would be the Cosmopolitan. So let's talk a little bit about how easy it is to make. First, you start off with just a martini glass, and any martini glass will do. You know, it's better if it's chilled. And we're gonna use our Mixology and Craft mixing cup, and we're gonna start off with 2 ounces. Today we're using Tito's handcrafted vodka, 2 ounces of vodka. Throw that right in the cup. I hate it when that happens. Any rate, 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Put that in the mix. That's what gives it its lovely pink color. And then we're going to add in 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. That's what I mean when I said it has that margarita kind of tie in a little bit. And we're going to throw in an equal amount, 3/4 of an ounce, of lime juice. Now you can squeeze out about a medium-sized lime. We'll do the same thing. And we'll put that right in there. And we're going to top this up with some ice. Got a bunch of things going on right here, so let's just go ahead and throw some ice in there. Use the other half of the Boston shaker. And they said, make sure that you shake it for about 20 seconds until the outside of your shaker is really, really cold, because this is a drink that you really want really chilled down. This is a great back porch, what they call a porch pounder, or it's great, you know, for any kind of social occasion. It's elegant, it looks great, you know, and I don't care what they say on Sex and the City. You don't have to be a Charlotte, and you don't have to give up your man card. You could try it in secret. But I'll tell you what, you know, it is a favorite if you just give it a try. Give that a nice little pour. Some people will strain it out, or some people just like a little bit of ice in it just to make it really, really cold. And there you have it. You have the Cosmopolitan. Oh, forgot one little thing. Make sure you garnish it with an orange peel. There you go. Now we have a Cosmopolitan. You know, it is a delicious drink. It's refreshing, and it's great on a hot summer day or an elegant dinner. So give it a try, and make sure that you check out our other videos right here on this channel, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Bourbon Bill at you, and make sure that you subscribe and check out our new newsletter so you get the latest recipes. Cheers.